Hi little learners, welcome back to my channel. So today we will trace alphabets from A to Z. First, let us learn about the colors. So these are the brush pens I have. Let's see what are these colors. This is violet color. This is light green color. This is light pink color. This is dark green color. This one is dark blue color. This one is light blue color. This is orange color. This is pink color. This is brown color. This is yellow color. And this is red color. Okay, so now let us start tracing the alphabets. This is first letter, that is letter E. E for alligator. E for alligator. Then comes letter B. B for birds. B for birds. So today we will learn all the animals with these alphabets. Then comes letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Then comes letter D. Which animal comes with letter D? D for dog. Very nice. D for dog. Then comes letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Then comes letter F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for goat. G for goat. Then comes letter H. H for horse. H for horse. Then comes I. I for iguana. I for iguana. Then comes letter J. J for jaguar. J for jaguar. Then comes letter K. K for kitefish. K for kitefish. Then letter L. L for lion. This is letter M. M for monkey. Then this is letter N. N for noodlefish. N for noodlefish. Then comes letter O. O for octopus. O for octopus. This is letter P. P for peacock. Then comes letter Q. Q for quail. Q for quail. Then letter R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. This is letter S. Tell me which animal comes with letter S? Yes, it's snake. Then letter T. T for tiger. Then letter U. U for unicorn. Then V. V for vulture. Then comes letter W. W for whale. Then comes letter X. X for X-ray fish. Then comes letter Y. Y for yak. Then letter Z. Z for zebra. So we all did it. We all traced all the alphabets. If you have enjoyed the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.